Marcos from Island Elementary School here in beautiful Central California, and I love this Mr. Peace program, this awesome guy that comes to our school. This was our second experience, and I've seen the impact that it can make on students if their heart is hurting, and his message will open up their minds and possibly change. I know that I dealt with some health experiences and doubted my teaching ability, came back wondering if I could still do it or not, and I had just an amazing class of 5th graders that I could tell they absolutely loved me, and they were so kind and compassionate. But that's not always within every student, and it is our job as adults, as a community, to teach them about kindness and compassion and how big of an impact it can make on our entire community, if not the world.